Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first in a series I'm making about the various habitats in which one can find motorcyclists. I'm calling the series Motorcycle Geography, and today we are starting with the beach. The sea. A magical place where golden sand meets clear blue water. By clear blue water, of course, I mean murky brown sludge that's filled with box jellyfish, crocodiles, and whatever runoff comes from the various metal refineries that Townsville possesses. You can ride whatever bike you want at the beach. Absolutely doesn't matter what you're on. It's the one place on earth that all bikes are equal. Most of the time you're not going faster than 50 kilometers an hour anyway. So here a Grom is every bit as fast as an R1. So it's a case of ride whatever you like. It doesn't matter who you are or what you're on, somebody's going to look at you and think, that's one cool looking mother flipper right there. Unless that bike is a yellow Suzuki V-Strom, nobody's going to think that's cool.
Dad jeans.
It's all about the cruise, it's all about enjoying the experience. Enjoying the scenery, the palm trees, the attractive members of whatever gender you're into that happen to be wandering around. That's what this is about. See? Dude on an old Royal Enfield there. That bike is perfect for here. Absolutely perfect. It's not fast. It's not designed to tear up corners, it's just designed to cruise along the beachfront. And that old boy was doing exactly that. You can also cruise around in your shitty fake Evo if you want to. Who am I to judge? There's even lots of cafes and ice cream shops, which is somewhere nice for all those 1200 GS riders who'll never take their bikes off-road to go. Everyone keeps telling me about this gym fella. I suppose I should go someday. Well, as for a tyre, well, you're not going to be going very fast, and as it kind of is with the motorcycle, it's as much about the look as it is about the function. So, don't take this as general advice as suitable for all riders. Wear whatever the hell you want. I'm riding around here in a t-shirt and a pair of jeans and Converse, which is not the safest of riding attire, but given the low speed I'm going, if I do get hit, I'm probably not going to get launched into the stratosphere, so it's not that great a risk, I guess. If you are watching this in Australia or say Spain or Florida or somewhere, and you are going squidding it up like I am, sunscreen people. If you were watching this in the UK or Ireland, bring your rain gear because, well, it's a well-known fact that in Ireland, if you go to the beach, it will rain. It's just an inevitability. Which reminds me, those clouds are looking slightly ominous, so I might want to head in the direction of home here. It is the great equalizer though, the beach, where a Grom is as good as a Goldwing. Where people are just there to relax and take it easy and enjoy themselves and not take it too seriously. So anyway, this will be the first in a series of these Motogeography videos I'm doing. As I said, if you enjoyed, please let me know and leave me some suggestions down in the comments as to what you'd like to see me do. That Utes Rego is ho. Okay, that's it for me for today, folks. For the record, if you like this here t-shirt I'm wearing, I'll give you a close-up there. It was designed by the wonderful Amanda Zito. She has a YouTube channel where she does all sorts of mad adventure bikey stuff. You should totally go check it out. It's called As the Magpie Flies. The link is in the description. She also has a Redbubble shop where she sells all these amazing t-shirt designs. So I will put a link to that in the description too. You should all totally buy one. She got laid off her job lately. She could use the cash. Anyway, I'll talk to you all soon. Good luck.